Welcome to Aurora the Explorer. So last video we did the upper part of Jim's Creek, and now we're gonna go to the lower part. It's high tide. We'll see what happens. Water's just been really low this year. But I'm here with my family, my wife, my daughter, her boyfriend. So let's get to exploring and see what we see. Yeah. And then people I've talked to who come here yearly said they've never seen it before. Clam.
Ew, what?
This one's not open. All the clams, look.
Get them! Thomas, get them!
Grab one if you want one.
Look at that. Tammy?
Did you open it?
Yeah, I opened it. Tammy.
Eat it. Cool. I'm trying to find them in the water. They must be so disgusting.
Just saw a salmon down there. Just swimming, gently swimming against the current down in the weeds. Look how crystal clear that water is, though. Makes you want to drink it. But this is where Robertson Creek and Jim's Creek meet, and we're gonna go upstream on Jim's Creek. Most people know this area as Jim's Creek because it's what flows into the Scenic River, and it's what a lot of people in Alaska fish. Let's try to get it. Yeah. Looks like a silver salmon. Already spawned out, so he's dying. Come on. Still got some fight in him. You darn fish. It's got enough fight that I can't get a hold of him. Whoa, bald eagle. Here comes the feather. I'm gonna catch it. Oh, shoot. Bald eagle feather. I don't know what the laws are on that, but come on, you. Bald eagle feather. Kind of odd when he took off. He ran into the branch above him. Oh, there he is. He landed right there on top of that tree. There's a good shot of him. Deep enough here, but this isn't where I'm worried about. Let's keep going in until we can't no more. It is amazing out here though. Holy cow. I love this. Nothing better than being out on the water. And here is Swan Lake. It really is pretty. Beautiful out here. Connect Glacier just over those trees. We'll have to get around them and I'll show you Connect Glacier. We'll try to get to Leaf Lake now. It's unreal. Not sure if I dare cut through or not. We made it. But this is Leaf Lake. It's really beautiful. I mean, look at the mountains behind me, in front of me. Connect Glacier off in the distance. I mean, it really is. Summer times here in Alaska they're unreal. They really are. I got my feather. Like I said, when I get service, I'll look up what I can do with this, if anything. I just want to say thank you again for joining me on Aurora the Explorer. Hopefully I'll see you again soon on the next episode. Thanks again.